Hey guys, it's Kay, and today I'm going to be sharing with you this unit from Ali Annabellehair. I've worked with them before and I absolutely love their hair, and I wore this wig to Sun City, so I'm absolutely in love with it and I can't wait to show you what's in the bag. So first, they gave me this wig cap and it's the dark brown. I love the dark brown. I wish more companies would send this color. And then they also gave me their info palettes, and I absolutely love what's in this package. It is just, I love the pictures. It is very, very nice, but it has all the information you need about the hair and everything. So yeah. Then the actual wig. So before filming this video, I bleached the knots and I washed the wig. So this is kind of how it looks. It is a straight unit, but it's got this light wave. And yeah, I bleached the knots and they looked absolutely amazing. I over bleached just a little bit, but I can honestly just appreciate a good over bleaching because it does help with like making it look more natural. So yeah, this is the inside of the wig. It is a 13x4 and it's also got tracks, clips, hooks, everything you need. I just adjusted the straps right there because wigs are always big for my head. Like I do it with every wig. At this point, I'm used to it. And yeah, those are the hooks, and this is basically the wig. It is a 20-inch and I loved this hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw just how much I loved this hair. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by straightening the hair. I did wash it, so you know, there's a bit of kink in there. So I just want to make this bone straight, no baby hair. My favorite hairstyle, middle part. So yeah. And then this is basically how it looks now that it's all straightened, and I'm going to cut off the lace now. It's time for me to kind of customize this wig and install. So I'm cutting off the lace at the nape of my neck because I never connect the wig there. I never glue it down. Then I'm going to kind of tint the lace with foundation. I do this all the time. There's no wig that I don't tint with foundation, and basically all I'm gonna do is take a brush, take my foundation and just pack it on there just so that it matches my hair perfectly. After cutting the lace in the front as well, and after like the customization and everything, now it's time for me to install. I just popped this wig on my head, and as you can see, I haven't even glued it down, girl. And look at how bomb that melt is. So yeah, I'm just going to adjust it and tie it back. I like to tie back hair now when I glue it down. It just makes things so much easier. And I'm going to be using the black Got To Be, and I did the, if you can see my head, I did the stocking cap method because I was wearing this hair for almost a week. Like I kept this hair on for a long time, and yeah, I'm excited just like for you guys to see the finished result because I loved it. And yeah, shout out to everybody that complimented me on this hair on Instagram. So yeah, so all I really did was just glue that down. I've done this a million times before, and I'm going to just secure it and make sure everything is down nicely. And now I'm just going to open up my middle part. I plucked a middle part, but it kind of got lost. I don't know where it ended up, so I just ended up just like opening my own parts, honestly. And then I used like water and some of the got2b to press that part down. But the part that really helped to like solidify and like secure my parts was the hot comb. I hot combed everything flat. Girl, the hair is stunning. It's so shiny. I loved this hairstyle, and that's why I wore it for such a long time. And yeah, the hot comb came in clutch. Okay, look how silky she is. She just looks like a, if it was a little bit less dense, because I think this is 150 density, it would look like a silk press. No cap. And yeah, that is basically it, you guys. I absolutely loved the way this hair turned out. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, then go into my description box, because I will have everything you need down there. I'll have the link to the hair. I'll have the link to Ali Annabelle. I'll also have a discount code if I get one. Don't worry, I'll try my best to get one for you guys. But yes, this is the finished result, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.